Hello foodies, welcome back to Inspire Chef Chami. Today I am going to make creamiest pizza you ever tried. Let's begin. Today I am making a creamy garlic chicken pizza from scratch. Soft dough, rich garlic cream and perfectly seasoned chicken. Simple but next level in flavor. Start with a bowl, add half of the flour, sugar, yeast, olive oil and warm water. Mix well, then add the remaining flour and salt. Mix and start kneading by hand until you get a smooth soft dough. If it's too sticky, add a little flour and continue kneading. Once ready, grease the bowl with olive oil, place the dough back in and coat lightly. Cover and let it rest in a warm place for about 30 minutes or until double in size. Once the dough has risen, transfer it to a floured surface. Add semolina or flour and start opening it into a 12-inch round shape. Place it onto a pizza screen and shape it properly. While the dough is resting, I prepare the sauce. So let's begin. Take a saute pan, heat on low medium and add olive oil. Add chopped garlic and saute until light golden. Pour in the cooking cream and season with salt and pepper. In a separate bowl, mix corn flour with water. Add it into the cream and cook on low-medium heat, whisking continuously until thick. Remove from heat and set aside. Take chicken breast and add it to a food processor. Add red onion and blend until minced. Then add Cajun seasoning, cayenne chili powder, garlic powder, Italian herbs, sweet paprika, salt and pepper. Blend again until everything is well combined. Heat a saute pan with olive oil over medium heat. Add the chicken mince and cook until light golden and fully cooked. Set aside. Take the shaped pizza base and make small holes to prevent air bubbles. Spread the creamy garlic sauce evenly. Add mozzarella cheese, cooked minced chicken and sliced mushroom. Bake in a preheated oven at 240 Celsius for about 10 minutes. Once out of the oven, finish with a drizzle of truffle oil and chopped parsley. Look at that crispy base, creamy garlic and perfectly seasoned chicken. Slice and enjoy. It's simple, rich and delicious. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share with your family and friends. See you in the next video.